Welcome to Cape Cavo Greco, also known as Cape Greco, one of the most breathtaking natural areas in Cyprus. Located between Ayia Napa and Protaras, this protected national forest park is famous for its dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and peaceful walking trails overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Today's walk takes us through the rugged coastal paths of Cape Greco, where land meets sea in one of the most striking landscapes on the island. This is a place shaped by wind, water, and time, quiet, open, and deeply connected to nature. As we begin, take a moment to slow down. Listen to the wind, feel the warmth of the sun, and let the vastness of the horizon guide the pace of this walk. As we move forward, the path opens into a wide natural landscape covered with low shrubs, rocky ground, and native plants. The terrain here is rugged yet welcoming, designed more by nature than by people. To one side, the land stretches gently inland. To the other, the sea appears suddenly and dramatically, revealing steep cliffs that drop into brilliant shades of turquoise and deep blue. Cape Greco feels raw and untouched. There are no large buildings here, no busy roads, just open space and silence broken only by the sound of the wind and distant waves. As we approach the cliffside, the view becomes wider and more powerful. The Mediterranean Sea stretches endlessly toward the horizon, uninterrupted and calm. From this height, the water below looks almost unreal, layers of blue, from light turquoise near the rocks to deep sapphire further out. On clear days, the visibility here is extraordinary. Standing along these cliffs, it's easy to feel small in the best possible way. The vastness of the sea puts everything into perspective, reminding us how ancient and steady nature truly is. The wind becomes more noticeable as we walk along the exposed cliffs. It moves freely across the open land, carrying the scent of salt and sea. Below, waves strike the rocks gently but persistently, shaping the coastline over thousands of years. Sea caves and arches, hidden from above, are reminders of this slow, constant process. There is a natural silence here, not complete quiet, but a soft background of wind and water. It's the kind of silence that allows thoughts to slow and settle. The path continues to follow the natural curves of the land. There are no straight lines here, only gentle bends shaped by the terrain. Every few steps offer a new angle of the sea. Light reflects differently as clouds move, and the color of the water shifts constantly. Walking here feels grounding. The steady rhythm of steps, combined with the openness of the landscape, creates a meditative experience. Cape Greco does not rely on attractions or structures to impress. Its beauty comes from simplicity, rock, sea, sky, and light. Many visitors pause along the cliffs to sit quietly, take photographs, or simply stare out at the horizon. There is no need to fill the time with activity. This is a place that invites reflection. The landscape encourages stillness, allowing space for calm thought and quiet appreciation. As we continue, the rocky terrain reveals signs of the geological forces that shaped this area. The cliffs show layers of stone formed over millions of years. Wind and water have carved small caves, hollows, and dramatic edges into the coastline. These features are subtle from above, yet powerful reminders of nature's patience. Despite being a popular destination, Cape Greco manages to feel uncrowded. The openness of the park allows visitors to spread out and find their own quiet space. The light here plays an important role in the experience, depending on the time of day. Shadows stretch across the rocks and the sea glows with different shades of blue. The horizon remains wide and uninterrupted, offering a sense of freedom and clarity. Looking out to sea, it's easy to feel present and grounded in the moment. This openness is one of Cape Greco's most powerful qualities. It allows the mind to rest. As our walk gently comes to an end, take one last look at the landscape around you. The cliffs, the sea, and the sky exist in quiet balance. Cape Cavo Greco is a place that stays with you, not because of dramatic landmarks, but because of how it makes you feel calm, open, and connected to nature. Whether you experience this place in person or through this walking tour, Cape Greco offers a rare sense of stillness in a busy world. Thank you for joining this walking tour of Cape Cavo Greco. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, goodbye from the cliffs of Cyprus.
Dichtbij, hè? Ja, het is onder water, hoor. Dichtbij. Ja, daar is het onder water, hè? En soms komen er ook schildpadden.